What is the best minimalist leather wallet for cards and cash? Here are my full reviews of the best minimalist leather wallet for cards and cash together with key feature. So before starting this video, for more details and price, click product link description. Secrid Cardslide Minimalist Wallet. The Cardslide wallet from Secrid uses their popular card protector platform as its core. The card protector is a durable aluminum card holder that includes an integrated RFID blocker and a signature mechanism that pushes out up to 6 cards when activated. The newer Secrid Cardslide wallet includes a plastic sliding tray for storing your bills. Key features: coins, keys, and other small items, allowing you to store all your essentials in one secure place. The tray is held in place by an elastic band that can also be used to tuck in extra bills if needed. It's available in a variety of body and strap combinations for you to choose from. Distil Union Wally Sleeve Minimalist Wallet. The Distil Union Wally Sleeve is an ultra-slim wallet designed to carry up to 6 cards and a few bills, and nothing else. A quick retracting pull tab helps you retrieve the contents of its main compartment, while a quick access outer pocket provides easy access to your cash and frequently used cards. Key features: the pockets feature integrated magnets that ensure that nothing falls out, so you never have to worry that the Wally sleeve might lose your essentials like an overstretched wallet or card holder would. Craft & Lore Twobit Minimalist Wallet. This ultra-minimalist full-grain leather wallet is a slimmer, cut-down version of the brand's card holder design. The Craft & Lore Twobit wallet is designed to carry your bare wallet essentials, some cash plus up to 6 cards. This buck brown version is made from traditional harness leather that is waxy and firmer to give the wallet a bit more structure and rigidity. Key features: it's cut and stitched by hand by craftsmen in North Idaho, and meant to develop its own unique weather look over time. The Twobit wallet is a great and stylish way to elevate your minimalist wallet game with its simple yet elegant design. Ridge Minimalist Wallet. The Ridge wallet is a masterclass in durable, minimalist design. 2 metal plates bound together with tough elastic bands hold up to 12 cards in a sleek, pocket-friendly package. Metal plates have the added benefit of RFID blocking technology for a more secure carry. Key features: if you happen to carry cash, you can fold your bills and tuck them away under a sturdy stainless steel cash clip, or flexible cash strap to suit your taste. Finally, a thumb cutout lets you easily push your cards out or quick retrieval. The Ridge also comes in other light yet strong materials, like titanium and carbon. Magpul DAKA Everyday Folding Minimalist Wallet. This ultra-slim yet robust bifold wallet features a transparent protective window on one side that's perfect for an ID or access card. Magpul has serious expertise in crafting quality polymer goods, and they put that knowledge to work when assembling their DAKA line of minimal EDC wallets. Key features: the DAKA Everyday Folding Card Holder offers a bit more capacity, especially for those of us who need room for emergency cash, but it retains the slim, bomb-proof, and lightweight polymer construction that made Magpul's first offerings such community favorites.